Okay, so last time we were doing search engine optimization.
Mm,
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we had seen these slides last time. So now, in this case, what we can do is we are today going to see how we can implement this. So last time we had in search engine optimization on the slides, we had understood what are the different things that we have to take care in search engine optimization. And today we will be implementing that. So, I mean, to implement that, first of all, we need a website or any place where we can add content, and on the content, we can do search engine optimization. So, as such, we do not have any content right now. So, what we need to do is we need to create a website, and in that we will learn how to add the content, and then after that only we can do search engine optimization on it. So now we will take up the this website development part today, wherein we will create a small website for the blog. So we will add some blogs into it, and then we will do optimization on it. So let's begin. I'll One second, I'll just share my screen. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, so
हो
I
गया
hope
शुरू.
yeah, so okay, fine. So now what I need to do is, first of all, I need to go to my website. Okay, and then I will install WordPress. So when you buy a website, so you will get the similar kind of control panel with which you can you can manage your website. So where you can create a lot of email addresses as per your requirement, and you can manage the other parts of the website. So now I will install the WordPress. So you can see there are so many content management systems available over here. Even this is content management system. So I mean there are more than 400 types of content management systems that we can use. So all right, so we are going to install it, and I will install it on one of the directory over here. So uh, I will do the demo also over here, and I will give you the login details of the same to you so that you can also practice. So I will
Okay.
create it in your name only. So yeah, okay. So like this, and then admin username and password and email address. Okay, then we'll install.
ये साइट से वर्डप्रेस इंस्टॉल होता है क्या?
No, no, I mean, this is my website, so I can install
Okay.
WordPress on all my websites. So this is the control panel. So if you have the
Okay.
control panel, then you can install this on your website. So every
Okay.
website has a different control panel. So Yes, like this we have. So now I will open the website. So it looks like this. So it's okay. This is the admin panel over here. So now over here, if I see how does the site look, so then I can open this URL. So this is the basic thing that we are getting over here. So nothing is installed over here. I mean, only some dummy content is added. So we are going to remove everything. So I will log out from my control panel. WordPress is already installed. Okay. Okay, so now this is the basic content. So now what I need to do is I can now, first of all, what we will do is this is the admin panel on the left hand side. So first we will understand what are the function of these menu items. Once you get to know the functions of this admin panel, all the menu items, then it is very easy for you to create a website because you know all the functions of this. So let's begin. So this is the dashboard. So I mean, this is just a default content over here. So I mean, not all the things are required over here. So the things which are not required, we can just disable them. So I do not require site health because that is managed by the server people. Then over here at a glance, okay, I mean that is also as such that we can keep because we get to know that. How many posts, how many comments, and how many pages are there on our website. Activity is something that is not required. Quick draft is also not required. WordPress event and news is also not required, and this is welcome. So, I mean, if you want, we can keep this, but that is also not required. So, this is it. So, this is the only thing that I can use, or else I can keep activity. So recently what we have published, so I can just drag it. So we have two columns over here. So that's it. So this is done. So this is just a bird's eye view of what's happening on our website. We get to know that how many posts do we have, how many pages do we have, how many comments we have received, and whether we are running the latest version of WordPress or not. So that is what we can see on the right hand side. We just get to see what were the recent published posts on our website and recent comments. If people have written, then we can get to see those comments, and then maybe we can reply, approve or disapprove the comments. So that all things we can do. So that is dashboard. Now the next thing, so dashboard is the home of dashboard over here. Then the next thing is updates. So update is something like say we are using Android or iOS in that we install apps and there are certain updates for the app, so we have to go to Play Store or App Store and update the apps for the latest version. So the same way over here, say today we have current version of WordPress is 6.2.2. Tomorrow it might be 6.2.3 or whenever they update, this will change to 6.2.3. So at that point of time, we have to update this. So right now we can see over here reinstall version 6.2.2, but I mean it's already installed. Why will I reinstall it? So in that case, this button will change to update to the latest version 6.2.3. So at that time, we can just click this button and it will reinstall. So that's it over here. Then we have certain plugins over here that we need to update. So plugins and themes. So theme is something say like it's the look and feel of the website. So whichever theme that we are installing, we need to update that. And plugins are small applications, or we can say we install various apps in our mobile device. So like that, we install various plugins in our website, which will increase the functionality of the website. So like I want to create a contact us form. So I don't need to sit and program that contact us form. I can just use that plugin. I will add all the fields and that's it. I mean, it is done. So, I mean, in 2 minutes, you can create a contact us form, business inquiry form, registration form, whichever type of forms you want, you can create it in 2 minutes. So, like that, even plugins will require any updates as and when required. Themes will require updates. So whenever you get some updates, you will have something like this over here. You will get to know that there is one update over here that requires. So over here, let me see if there is any update required. So yes,
सॉरी,
this,
एक एक
yeah,
पूछना चाहता हूँ सर, ये
yeah,
वर्डप्रेस है क्या?
हाँ,
मतलब मैं
WordPress है,
ये
yes,
वर्डप्रेस है और वर्डप्रेस
हाँ,
में आपका साइट देख रहे हैं
हाँ,
earthbooted.com.
हाँ,
ओके.
yes. तो
ठीक।
हमने वर्डप्रेस के अंदर हमने ये वर्डप्रेस इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है एंड और उसके थ्रू हम लोग वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं। तो अभी
अच्छा।
we can install anything. I mean, say right now we are installing this WordPress. If I want, I can install any other CMS. Say, like Drupal is there, then Magento is there, OpenCart is there. I mean, there are like 400, more than 400 content management systems available that we can use.
अच्छा।
So it is just the thing that which application is more easier, which content management system is more easier to use. And WordPress is the most easiest way, and you can make the most beautiful websites with WordPress. Like
ओके।
WordPress, you cannot make any like that. You cannot make any website with any other CMS unless and until you code it manually. But that takes a very, very long time. So for that reason, you can use this option over here. So now say there is an update for this plugin, but in which ways say we are not using this plugin, so I can uninstall this plugin. So I'm not going to update. So over here you can see there is a option to update plugin. So this is one thing that we need to update. So that is the reason over here it is showing one update. So that's it. So right now we are not updating this because we'll be removing this. Then the next thing is the post. So post is something like say we can write blogs on our website. So right now we have one default blog over here that we can see over here, hello world. So if I click on this, I mean there is nothing, everything is blank, and there is one comment that we can see. So that is one comment over here, and this is the default blog. So that we are going to delete it. So I can just delete it, move to trash, and click on apply. So that will get deleted. So this is it. And now, whenever I want to add a new post, I can just click over here, add new post. So I will click on add new, or else from the left hand side also I can click on add new, or over here also I have a plus sign. I can click on add new post. So new post. So I can select new post and over here, and then I can add some title over here and some description over here. I can write my blog over here, and then I can select the category over here. So that is what I can do. So now over here we have the option to create the categories, but that is a long way. We don't create categories over here. We create categories from here. So I can just click over here, add a new category. So I'll say that I want to create a category on digital marketing. So I might be writing blogs on digital marketing. So I can create a category of digital marketing. So that is digital marketing over here. I'll say add new category. If I want to add one more, I can add any number of categories over here. So this is what the categories is all about. So why do we create categories? That is because say if I am writing blogs on digital marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, various topics. But there are some people, I mean, say most of the people say they have their own taste. They want to read something only related to search engine optimization, or only related to social media marketing, or only related to YouTube. So, and I might have blogs onto it, so they might search for the blogs. But now, say if I don't create categories and if I put blogs in all general category, all the blogs in one basket, then how will people be able to find? So that is very difficult, right? So for that reason, what we do is we create categories. So if someone is interested in social media, so they'll just click on the social media category, and they will find all the blogs which are related to social media. So that is the reason we create categories over here. So that is categories. So I can create categories from here. Other option is to create categories directly from the, okay, so I think there was some issue. One second. Okay. I hope we are connected. I think I just got disconnected for a moment.
हेलो।
Yeah,
वो
hi.
इंटरनेट
Yeah,
गया, इंटरनेट गया है सर
yeah,
मेरा।
okay. So I hope you are able to see my screen.
यस यस।
Oh, okay, fine. So that's what I just got disconnected for a moment. So now over here, say I can create a category, but over here, like I said, that this is a long way. So what I need to do, say like I want to create a category on social media. So what I'll do is I will write social media over here. And after that, I need to write the slug also. That is the machine name. So that is recognized by the WordPress. So I will write social media over here as one word over here, and then I click over here and click on add new category. So now it will get created. So I need to write it twice and then click on add new category. But over there, I just type the name and click on add. It is done. Now this is uncategorized category. So I mean over here there is nothing called as uncategorized, but this is the default category. So we cannot delete it, but I can definitely rename it. So I click on quick edit and I will make it as general. So I'll select general over here, and over here also I will use general. Okay. So and then click on update. So now we have three categories over here. I can add multiple categories also. So this is how we create categories. After that, there is a tag option. So I mean, this tag option is not used over here. Also, I can add a tag, but we don't add tags over here because tags are mapped to the content. So over here, when I click on add new post and whenever I'm adding a post, now, whatever important keywords are there in this blog, I would be adding over here. So over here, I can add all the blogs, all the tags related to this blog. So that is what I need to do. So these are the tags over here. So that is the basically the keywords that people are going to search on our website, and Google will get to know that these are all the important keywords which are in this blog. So Google will try to map those keywords with our blog, and if it is good optimization is done, search engine optimization is done, then yes, our website will come up in search engine. So that is there. So that is later thing that we'll be adding. Once we add the content, you will get to know how do we add tags. So that is tag section, and then over here media. So media library is we can see all the images and videos that we have uploaded over here. So basically we use all the we upload images over here. There is an option to upload media over here, but usually we don't do that. We don't add media over here. We add it from the post itself. So if I want to add a new post, so I go to new post, and over here if I want to add, so there is a featured image. So this is I can add a featured image for the blog, and over here if I in the content if I want to add any image, then there is a option to add a media. So then I can click on add media, and then I can upload the file from my system, and then I can use it. So that is what I can do. So this is the about the media over here, and then the pages. So like post, we can add pages also. So right now there are two pages over here which are default pages. So privacy policy is required for every website. This is the sample page. So I'll delete this because there is no content in that. So that is removed. So now the pages, now what is the difference between post and a pages? So post will not have a menu item. So post will come up dynamically on the website. But pages are something which comes up in the menu. Like if you go to any website, you will see home, about us, products, services, contact us, and all those things. So those are pages which will come up on the website, and it will remain there for the lifetime of the website. So those are pages. And posts are dynamic content which we keep on adding every day, maybe one, two, three posts we keep on adding. So that is the post over here. So that is on certain topics we want to write related to our subject, so that we can use over here. So that is post and pages. And the same way I can add pages also. I can click on add new, and the same type of interface will come up like post. So I can add a title, say like about us over here. So I'll just write about us, and right now I don't have the content, so I'll just say coming soon.
Okay.
Okay, so now on the right hand side, we don't see those categories and everything because pages do not have categories. But in case if you want to add a featured image, you can add it. But as such, pages do not even have featured image. But nowadays, say people have started to add, so we have a feature over here wherein we can add a featured image related to about us. So I can use this, and once this is done, I can click on publish. So now this page will get published. So this is about us page that we have created. Now, if I want to create another page like say contact us. contact us. So the same thing over here, uh, coming soon. Okay, and then over here, I don't need to do anything right now. I'll just click on publish. So this page is created. So like this, I can add multiple pages over here and it will come up on the website. So right now, if I refresh, I will not see those. Yes, you can see about us and contact us. So you can see these two pages. So if I click on about us, you can see coming soon right now over here and contact us. You can see. So that contact us also coming soon right now. So we can create pages, but this all things do not look proper. I mean, over here we need to adjust all the things. So right now the next thing is we'll click on comments. So comment is like in the blogs, people would like to write some comments. So under YouTube also, people write a lot of comments in YouTube videos also. So similarly in the blogs also, people write comments over here. So in that case, if I want to say approve or disapprove any comment or say because I don't want any negative or abusive content on my website. So I don't want talking anything bad about my website. So I will put all the comments for hold and when say I will review all the comments after that only I will approve them which I feel they are good or else if half of the comment is good and after that they might have added some link and all those things so I can edit and remove that link and then I can post that content so I also have the right to edit the comment that a person has added and I can post it on my website so that is the comments that I can use and this is the most important thing that is the appearance so that is the look and feel of the website so over here
Okay.
right now you can see this is the look and of feel of the website then after that there is I'll just show you two three websites over here say like over here I'll just show you this website. I think again I'm disconnected or what. No. Okay, yes, I think I'm got disconnected. Are you with me? Okay, yeah, I think I got disconnected. So I just disconnected
Yes,
Wi-Fi and I just connected with my hotspot. Okay, so fine. So I'll just show you this website. So this is one of the website over here. Okay, it might take some time. Yeah, so okay, fine. It has opened. So this is the website which is created in WordPress. And we'll also open one more.
ये वर्डप्रेस फ्री रहता है कि फीस होती है उसकी?
I mean, when you actually it is paid thing, but when you buy a server at that time, along with your hosting, you get the license copy,
ओके.
and that is for a year. So every year you need to you need to say renew it. Okay, so this is another website. So let me see if this is open. So okay, this is taking some time. Okay, over here you can see this is all they are selling their DVDs and courses over here. So this is one of the website over here, and you can have different courses and different categories, and under those categories you can have courses over here like this. We have some this website. So this website is also created in WordPress. I mean, you can see about us content and the courses and everything. So like this, yes, contact us. Okay, it's taking some time. And then my dashboard. So my courses, register, log in, log out, reset password. So people can register over here. And this is the cart, and they can purchase the courses that they want. So here we have this. So you can see this is the contact us page over here. So along with the phone number, email, and address, and over here message, they can send a message. So like this, there are various options, and then people will click on dashboard. It will take them to registration and all those things. So this is the look and feel of the website. So basically, what I just wanted to show is. How does your website look like? So this is one of the say the look and feel of the website over here. This is another type of website over here. So this is also in WordPress. Even the White House website is in WordPress. So like that also you can see. So yes, and then there are certain pages over here about us, services and contact us and all those things. So yes, these are the websites in WordPress, and of course, still there are many of them. So I can just show you one more. Mm, Yeah. So this is also the website which is created in WordPress. So this is called as look and feel. That is the appearance of the website, how you want to create a website, and you can see this. So yeah, so right. So now over here we have appearance, and I can go to themes. So I can select whichever theme I want. So basically, the theme is the clothes of the website. How well you dress your code, the clothes for the website, which can be changed whenever you require. Maybe after 6 months, you want a different look and feel for your website. That also you can do. So like that, you can use different themes over here. You can just install any of the themes that you want over here. So there are many themes over here. You will find thousands of themes which are free of cost that you can use, and you can install it. But say over here, by seeing the mixed theme, I mean it will be very confusing. So it's not better to search over here. It's better to search over here that what kind of website you want to create. So if I select that, okay, I want to create some education website. So now I will get all the websites which are related to education. So you can see all the themes which are
Okay.
related to education. So once your website is created, it will look like this. So this is what you can see. And say the developers have, some of the developers might have also provided the actual demo of the whole website. So like maybe if I click on any of the theme, let's see which, so yes, these people have provided. So I can click over here, and I need to scroll and see over here if the demo is available. So if the demo is available, then it's good. So I go to the developer's website, and I want to see that if I install this theme over here, then how will my website look like? So we have selected BOSA education. So I will go and select the BOSA education theme over here. So over here there are various. So this is the BOSA education. So this is how my website will look like. So you can see this is the over here you can add your logo. This is the menu over here. You can have social media links over here, some address, phone number, and email address, and all those things. And then over here you can have multiple banners over here. So that keeps on changing. You can add more banners also, and like this. Say I mean you can see how the website looks like. So this is the look and feel. So once your website is ready, it will look like this. So you just need to change all the text and images over here as per your requirement. So this over here. So some of the website will also provide the demo content. Demo content means whatever you are seeing on this website right now, the whole demo, whole content will be imported in your website. So when you open your website, you will see the same website. What you are seeing right now on this page, the same you will see on your website. So you get to know. So after that, you just so it is easy for you. Otherwise, you will not know that where I need to add banner and all those things, where I need to update all the things. What are the panels available in the WordPress? So for that reason, say I can just replace the content. I go to about us and I edit the page. I will update that all the things. If I don't want this menu, I can remove this and I can create another menu for myself. So that all things I can do. I can change the images, the sliders over here, the text over here. I can do all those things over here. So I just change everything. So I'm using this theme on my website. So I've just started the development. So half of it is completed. So hopefully I'm not getting time, but maybe by next month it should get completed. So yeah, so like this I can install this theme or say any other theme that I want to use. So now this is all educational thing over here. Now say suppose I want to create a website on something else. So maybe I can select related to sports. So now you will find all the themes which are related to sports. So you can install any theme over here and you can create a sports website. So that is it over here. So I mean, whatever type of website you want, you can just search over here and you will get the related theme over here. So there are various things over here. So yeah, over here, this is also for the blogs and this is for the Google Web Stories. People are using Generate Press, so that is a good thing. So yes, I mean, I can use anything. So I say, for example, how do I use? So I can even upload a theme. So if I buy the theme from any third party, so if I'm buying a paid theme, then I can download that theme from purchasing from that website, and I can even upload the zip file over here, and then it will get installed. So now let me install a theme for blog. So if I want to install a blog over here, so there would be many themes which are related to the blogs, and I can add content to it. So I have a very good theme which I have used in past, that is called as Color Mag. So yeah, so over here. This is the theme. So once I select a theme, I can just click on install. So you can select whichever theme you want. You can click on install, and once it gets installed, you can say click on activate because active with if you don't activate, then your website will look like this only. So you need to activate it, and then you can refresh this page. So then it will take the effect. So now I will click on activate. So now I have activated this, and now if I refresh this, so now you just see how does the website change. So now you can see it is a bit of streamlined. So now I have proper menu bar over here. I can see title over here and the right side bar. I see the search bar over here. And then I can see the blank space because there is nothing over here right now. So now I do not know where to start. What are the panels over here? Where can I add content over here? I can add content over here. I can add content. Where exactly I can add content? I do not know. So in that case, over here, this theme is having the demo content provided. So every theme might require some plugins to be installed or something, some actions you need to take. So now over here it says that welcome and thank you for choosing ColorMac to take full advantage of the best of the theme can offer. Please make sure you visit our welcome page. Okay, so that is fine. And then get started with ColorMac. So you click on this and then it will process something, and yes, it will tell you what are the things that you can do. So here under this theme, there are various other themes which are free and paid as well. So this is a paid one, this is a paid one. So wherever you see pro, that is paid ones. The rest of the themes you can install. So I mean you can see there are various themes that you can select from. So maybe let's see what I want to use over here. Mm, of course, there are many of them. So let's see. So I will select the first option which I like. So this is the theme that I will install. So I'll click on import. and then say confirm. So now it will import this theme. So all the demo content, the look and feel will get imported into my website. So this might take time.
Okay.
So I mean we can wait for some time. So once this is done, we will just get to see what are the different panels. So after that, even if I delete all the data, it's still fine. So then after that, if I add all the blogs and posts and pages, so it will take place, it will be, say, located where the original company had provided, the developers had provided in the demo content. Our blogs will be coming at those places. So if you have anything which is having a demo content provided, then always use that option. So that is one of the best thing that we can do. So, okay,
Okay.
so it is still important. So
Yeah.
we just need to wait for some time. So sometimes it takes time, and of course I'm connected to a mobile device, so it might still take some more time. Okay.
अब ये इंपोर्ट होने के बाद हम इसके इमेजेस अंदर के कंटेंट चेंज कर सकते
Yeah.
हैं क्या?
Yes. So right now we will just get to see how our website looks like. So we will get to see that how does this theme look like. तो देन यस हम लोग पूरा सब कुछ चेंज कर सकते हैं अंदर का जो भी कंटेंट है लोगो है ऊपर का जो बैनर दिखाई दे रहा है साइड में जो बैनर दिखाई दे रहा है that all things we can remove it because those are the dummy content. We will remove all the dummy content, all the menu items and everything. So we will do something like over here how you can see this. We will again do that. But why we are importing? So if we are going to delete everything, why we are importing? Because once we import, all the panels will be fixed in the website. So we will get the places where we can add the content. So that is what we are doing over here. So it is importing the actually the panel. So now it says that it is imported. So now I can live preview. So what I need to do
Imported.
is just yes. So now I will just click on refresh. So now you just see how the website looks like. See. So this is how my website will look once it is finally done. So now I can add my own blogs and now I will get to know that these are the different sections over here. On the right hand side there are some sections, over here there are some sections, and over here there is a small slider and there are the latest four posts that I can see over here. So yes, and this is the menu item and all. This is all that we can see. So this is how I can create the content. So this is I have imported the demo content from this. So
Okay.
now what I yeah, so now what I'll be doing is I will be removing all those contents. So I can first of all starting with the posts. So I will remove all the posts over here. So I'll say all posts. So I can see all the posts over here. So at the maximum, what I'll do here is mm, fine. I just select all of them and I select move to trash and say apply. So still there are some posts. I'll select all and move to trash and apply. Okay, so now all the posts are deleted. Now I can need to go to the categories. So I need to delete the default categories also. So which were imported. So I will keep the categories which we had created, that is digital marketing and social media marketing, that social media we had created. So rest of the categories we will remove it. So I'll just say delete and say apply. So rest of the categories will get deleted. So I'll select again all and these two I'll keep and yes, delete. So rest of them will get deleted. So now the ones which I created and the default category which we renamed from uncategorized to general, it will be over here. So I have removed the categories also. Now over here there is media. So from media, if I select something, if I select this option over here, then I don't see the options over here. Say for that, I need to delete each and every image, say manually. So instead of that, we have other options that we'll be doing. So that can be deleted from the server. So that I can do, or else I can just select over here because there is no option over here to say images. So I select images and all dates and bulk select. So I can select bulk select and I can select all of them over here which I don't require. So this is something that I can do. But right now I will not bulk select because if I refresh this, so I need to keep these images. So the blank positions which are there, I need to remove this panel because if I delete this from the media, then I will not be able to delete this because this image will vanish. So for that reason, I need to keep those images for a while and later on I can delete it. So right now we'll keep it. So after that, I can go to the pages. So the all the dummy pages which were added. So I can select all of them. So the ones which we created, we will keep it. So about us, contact us, and privacy policy, we will keep it. The rest of them we can delete it, move to trash, and apply.
ये
So now, yeah,
रेस्ट ऑफ अस जो है वो रेस्ट ऑफ है, वो उनको उनके पहले डेमो में है, पहले वो ये वो
हाँ हाँ, that's fine.
यस
तो वो
यस
तो हम लोग वापस ऐड कर सकते हैं, वो कोई इशू नहीं है. So this is the pages that we have deleted. So everything is deleted. Post, media we will delete later on. Pages we have kept. Then comments. Let us see comments. So over here there is a comment. So let us see if there are any comments. There are no comments. There is a form over here, appearance. So that all things. So now there is nothing left to delete. So this is it, and now what else I can do is now I'll just go and refresh this over here. So now all the content categories and everything is all the content is removed because we removed all the pages and blogs over here. So now everything is blank. But now I need to remove all these things over here. So this is the thing that I can use. I need to delete it. So for that, I need to customize my theme over here. So now I can go to appearance and I can say customize. So then I can customize the theme. So now I will get a new panel over here with which I can say I can modify everything. So now you can see this over here. Over here, let me see. Okay, so now over here on the left hand side, the menu that you can see that is for all the admin menu only for the this managing this theme. Previously, the menu which we were seeing that was for this for the WordPress. So now what we can do is we can go to the menu and remove whatever we want, but there are some themes that are good over here, which are providing us with the shortcuts, so we can say remove that. So in case if you are going over here for the first time, then in that case we might not know that from where do I remove this banner or where do I remove this logo. So of course then in that case you need to go and check everywhere that where this is available. So I mean that will take a long time. But of course, see if other themes are not providing, then you have to go through the menu. So that's fine. So that you can do. Then over here, front page over here, so general and all these things over here, this is not available. Some of the features might be available in the paid version also, then the header navigation and all those things. Then you have a top bar and all these things. So like this, I mean, you need to go to all the places. But say this theme is good because it is providing the shortcut pencil icon. So you can just click over here and it will automatically take you over here. So next time you can remember that where this menu is. So it is into customizing headers and navigation under site identity. So over here we can
ओके
see this color match. So I'll say remove this and I would upload my logo. So I can just select this and I can just select the file. So let me see where the images are. Okay, so I'm not sure if it is deleted or what. Mm, okay, so I'll just go to the other login and say I will get the logo. Okay, so here I have the logo. Sa- So okay, so now this is saved and now I can use that. But say I cannot use this logo over here right now because say the uh, image that I'm using is the next generation format images. So I need to say use a plugin which will allow me to upload WebP images instead of JPG and PNG. So what I can do is I can go over here and select add new plugin. So I mean whatever functionality you want, whatever you can think of that you want to add this type of functionality in your website, directly go to plugin. Plugin is the best place where you can get everything that you are looking for. So over here, what I can do is I can search for the plugin. So I will say that I want a plugin that is WordPress enabled WebP. So this is the name of the plugin. I mean, since I knew I'm using this over here. So, I mean, you can search anything. So there are many of them WordPress over here. This is the plugin that I'm looking for. So this is WebP enable WordPress enable WebP. So I'll click on install now. So like how we install the theme and activate it. So now over here we have installed the plugin. I need to activate it. So once it gets activated, I can just refresh the website and over here I can again go back to the customization and yes, I can upload that images now. So I click on customize again. I go over there and now I will remove that logo and upload mine. So over there, so last time we had seen it was into the header and navigation and then under site identity and you can see this logo over here. So now I'll say remove this logo and I want my logo. So I'll select the location and what happened? It's not uploading. Let me try to drop the file.
जेपीईजी फाइल इजीली कर सकते हैं ना,
Which
पीएनजी
file?
जेपीईजी,
But
पीएनजी जेपीईजी।
yeah, I mean, those files are fine, but we can use those files. But the problem is that those files are very heavy files. Say like WebP is the next generation format. तो अभी जैसे
ओके।
JPG या PNG file जो हम use करेंगे, that file could be maybe 80 KB, 90 KB or something more than that or less than that. But if I convert that JPG or PNG file to WebP format, then the size of that image will reduce a lot. Say from 80 KB, it can come down to 40 KB or say 20 KB or 15 KB, 16 KB like that. So it will reduce a lot. So see, most of the time, the problem or loading with the website very slow is only the images. If I have a text website, then it will open within a fraction of a second. But only the images take time to load. Now, if the images are very heavy, so then website will take time to load. So you need to keep your images, especially on the home page, very light so that your website will open very fast and people will like to browse your website. So for that reason, I'm using this. So the size of this, you can just imagine the size over here is just 4 KB. I mean the logo. And if you use this as a JPG, it might go up to 15 KB, 20 KB, or 25 KB. So that is the reason we are using the latest format over here. So this is it, and then I can select this image. But in say search engine optimization, we had learned that whenever I'm using say uploading any image, I need to have the proper name of that image. So I'm using a three-booted logo. And over here, all text I need to write, that is the alternative text. So we had mentioned that there are few other things in images that we need to use over here. So with which that Google bot will get to know that what this image is all about. So I can just write over here, mm, three booted, three booted, three booted logo. And over here I can just write something like say digital marketing courses. So it will get to know, okay, so like this, and I can add the same thing in description also, and then I'll click on select. So now this is the logo, so I'll say skip cropping. So now that logo has come up on my website. So this is how it will come up. After that, the next thing that I
ओके।
want is I'll scroll down and over here you can see this is the logo. So that is appearing over here on the tab. So over here you can see this tab and you can see this logo. So I need to remove this logo over here and put my site map logo, site logo. So site icon. So I'll use this. So I'll select the site icon. So again I'll upload. And again, I need to use that latest format. So let me see if I have that latest format of image. So okay, this is the so this is a JPG. This is also PNG. So I don't have this over here. So what I'll do is I'll open this with the one of the software. So this is how much this PNG file is 1.6 KB and this is okay, but this is very small. We need require minimum say 5112. So let's see what is the size of this. Mm,
सर ये कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर है? हेलो। 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 नो सर, नो सर, आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, वेट। फाइन सर, सब बाकी बाकी टैब पे आवाज आ रहा है, इंस्टाग्राम पे आ रहा है, सब जगह आ रहा है, और यहाँ पे साउंड में भी कम ज्यादा करके देख रहा हो आ रहा है, टेस्ट साउंड। मालूम नहीं अभी क्या हुआ। मैं रिजॉइन करके देखता हूँ। हेलो, ज्वाइन हुआ सर, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है। हम्म, ओके।
हेलो 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 hello, can you hear
हाँ,
me
यस,
now?
हाँ, आवाज आ रहा है सर।
Okay, so maybe there my Bluetooth microphones might have got disconnected. Okay, fine, not a problem.
यस सर।
So fine, we were at that software. So I thought that software was creating a problem. So I switched that off. So not a problem. So now over here we will not upload that file right now. So because we need to convert it to web piece, so we can do that over here. So we can upload the image over here in the site icon, so our logo will be changed over here. So that is what we can
ओके,
do.
शेयर
Then
नहीं हुआ सर,
huh,
शेयर नहीं हुआ है।
acha, okay, I'll just share it.
या
Okay, okay, so now you can see. Now are you able to see? Hello, 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 can you see my screen? Hello. हेलो।